Okay, in this construction we're going to be constructing the orthocenter, and to construct the orthocenter what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to construct 3 times, okay, the construction where we construct a line perpendicular to a segment through a point. So we use A as a stop point, and there on that first try I've drawn my arc a little bit too big, so we're going to need to narrow the compass down a little bit. But we're going to draw an arc with A as a stop point that intersects BC twice. So there I've got 2 intersections, one on each side of the line segment, and then we're going to use those as stop points to draw 2 new intersecting arcs. Okay, and what that's going to provide is it's going to provide, when I connect that intersection back to A, that's going to create a line that is perpendicular to BC through point A. And that construction, okay, that particular line is known as an altitude. Think of the altitude as the same thing as the height of a triangle, what we use to calculate the area. So there's one altitude, and when I create the next altitude, what I'm going to be able to see is that they're going to intersect. And the intersection of all the altitudes of a triangle is known as the orthocenter. And the orthocenter is remarkably useless. It doesn't really have much good. We can't swing a circle inside the triangle with it or outside the triangle with it, and it's not the balance point. But it is a point of concurrency, and it is where all of the altitudes meet. And so there we go. And you can always tell an altitude because there is a perpendicular mark where it hits the segment, and it goes to the opposite vertex. Now altitudes and sometimes perpendicular bisectors may be the same. Sometimes altitudes and centroids are the same, and sometimes altitudes and angle bisectors are the same. Okay, a special case is the equilateral triangle, and in an equilateral triangle all 4 of those special segments are the same. Okay, so sometimes they are all the same, but not all the time. So there are my 3 altitudes, and they connect at a point called the orthocenter, which we're going to go ahead and label point